Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have for you today a nighttime normal cleaning routine type vibe, a homemaking motivation type of video. Now I normally start by like taking a shower, to be honest, and I often get questions on my hair, so I have a dedicated video for that. Now I am missing some products and I need to go get it actually, but this is what I'm working with right now. But the products that are in that video, if you want to check it out, um, it's going to be linked down below. So I take a shower, I get ready, and this is like literally right after like I am done playing with the kids, to spend time with them, listen to them, and we get really cozy, and we start doing homework if they do have homework. Right now we're working on some reading. Jesus getting better and better. Yes, Mr. Coco loves to make an appearance. Okay, so I hope you do get used to that. So I normally every other day I start to bake something. It's like my new norm now. The kids like it. I'm basically training myself with box mixes, and I am enjoying it, and the kids are liking it. Now, this cookies, okay, I wasn't even going to put in the video, but then I was like, no, this is literally real life. So I was hoping for me to make the same cookies that was in the package, and let's just say they didn't turn out that way because I was missing some butter. Now, the cookies are still good, don't get me wrong. Like for Preston and I, we can just eat them with, drinking some coffee in the morning and stuff like that. But the kids, for their standards, it wasn't good. Okay, so they're actually pretty good. I think it's just I needed some more butter, and I used something. I think it was like oil, like this spray, butter oil, and I think that's what made them look like they were raw still. But trust me, they were actually really cooked. And like I said, with coffee, it was really, really yummy. And if you're a baker, just leave me your tips on the comments. Don't come for me. I'm still learning. The fact that I don't burn the cupcakes anymore, it's a huge milestone for me. If you know, you know. Now, when it's like 7, 8, sometimes 6, I am done cleaning the living room because Zion, Mr. Zion, okay, he loves to leave content for y'all. But just because I don't show it does not mean my kids don't help me. I just don't want to show it all the time. They know that I'm not the only one living here and everybody needs to pitch in. Now, when it comes to cleaning, my husband does a lot, and they see us always cleaning or, leading by example. I remember I received these comments on their room. That room is basically a playroom, and they don't even sleep there. They love to sleep on the couch. So they do help. I just don't show it. Now Zion is asleep. It's like around 8, 9. I should have put the time, but girl, I'm just trying to get this video out there, okay? So yes, I put my pots in the oven, okay? By that time cookies were done and everything. Like if I was to show you, like since the kids get home from school, it will be a longer video. And honestly, when the kids get out from school, they're just like tired and they just want to chill. They want to eat normal. I don't want to be putting the camera. Like that's my time with them to catch up with how their day was, and it's nice. It's nice and I enjoy it. So I'm just like, I just turn on the camera when I'm like, I shower and stuff when I start my nighttime routine. So you guys know I live in the kitchen, okay? And I think this should be normal to show. It does get overwhelming. It does, because when you have little ones, you literally wash dishes the entire day. Unless you let them pile up, which is fine, whatever you prefer. I mean, at the end of the day, it's your business. But I remember me always feeling like I'm always filming the kitchen. Well, that's where I'm at. And there's nothing wrong with that. And this is normal. It is normal. Like, can we just normalize this where it does get overwhelming and people still need motivation for this hard times when it's just like the same routines every day, and it's just like your mind is when it does the thinking when you're just doing the same things. It's like your body's just so used to it that it's kind of like easy at times, and sometimes it's like if you overthink it, it's just like you lose the motivation right away, you know. Your house does not have to be 100% clean the entire time. It doesn't. Okay, so it's okay if you do get overwhelmed. It's okay if sometimes you don't even wash the dishes. Now, my husband comes home from work late, and sometimes even though I wash the dishes before he comes home, whatever he left on the dish on the oh my goodness, can I speak? Girl, get it together. So, when he's done eating, I just leave those dishes for the next day. Like, I'm not too worried about, just having the clean kitchen as I did before. Those days will come. But for now, this is what we have to work with. And yes, don't get freaked out with the salsa Valentina. It's just for flavor, okay? We like some beans with Valentina sauce or chipotle sauce. Now, this is actually my dinner. I'm going to be making some shrimp with some zucchini. I like my zucchini raw unless it's in a soup, like a cozy warm soup, then I like it cooked. But other than that, I love the combo with zucchini, with shrimp with zucchini, like for sure, hands down. And so I eat, I relax a little bit. What else do I do? Let me see. I mean, I read to the kids. Like, I just wish I could show you the entire day what I do. But then it's like, it's a lot. Then I won't get overwhelmed because it's like doing all the things that you do when you're busy during the day and then having to remember that you have to film is kind of like, whoa, you know? Let me shut up so you can enjoy a little bit. Moving on to the cleaning. Now, okay, I know I am known for deep cleaning videos. Okay, I know that. And they will come eventually. But this is what I have to do every single day to keep up with the house. And this is like literally realistic, real life, normal people that honestly, and I'm saying that because when I was doing deep cleaning videos before, like in my previous house before I moved into this house, I used to let the mess get built up and just clean 2 times like a week as like deep cleaning. Of course, I will keep up as like I'm doing here, but I will focus on deep cleaning those 2 days and full on clean for hours. Now that's not realistic for me anymore. My kids are getting older, they need my attention. There's more school activities and so on, so on. So balance, balance, balance. And I remember I used to get comments like, girl, just clean every day so it won't be as bad when you deep clean. And now I see it. I see it. I used to be like, no, I just don't like to clean every single day or pick up after the kids every single time because it used to overwhelm me. And now it's like I look forward to it because I don't feel unmotivated in a way where if it's a lot to do, it's like I don't even want to do it, you know? Maybe because I'm getting older, people do grow, okay? Not just grow up, they do grow as everything in general. And me doing this helps me. And sometimes you just gotta not focus what people are saying. You just have to do what works for you in your house. Always remember that. Always. Because you are the one who keeps things in order, balanced, and overall a mentality where you are okay. And that's the goal. So here is like almost 12 o'clock. And by this time, I'm basically done. But since I was like, filming, it took me longer. These are the moments I appreciate. He's so funny and cute. So this bathroom suffered the consequences of me posting a video every other day. And I was like, you know what? I have to clean this sink. It looks disgusting. No, 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 no. And the kids were like, I clean it, mom. And they try to wipe things down and stuff because, like, they're so cute. It was my fault for letting it get this bad. And that was just like a week. And we do get a lot of dust in this house, like a lot of buildup. And I told the kids to leave all the clothes when they shower there because I was planning to prepare it for the next day. And you'll see what I mean here in a little bit. So on this day, I saw that this will complete a load for me to wash the next day. Therefore, I left it in the washer. So I prepare it, and the next day I'll be able to just when I wake up, just turn it on and start that way instead of, I don't know, just kind of like a head start. Now moving on to skincare. So I got some questions on my YouTube short, and honestly, you guys, I have been struggling with this after I got my gallbladder removal. I feel like my hormones are everywhere, and at this point, since I try so many products, I feel like it's more like an inside problem instead of like my outside. I need to figure it out by literally going to a doctor, but I start normal as a cleanser. Most of the products I don't have the link for it, but if you want some good skincare products that you want to try and you don't want to pay for the price for a high end brand, girl, get it together. Try Marshalls. You guys can save a lot of money. You don't really need to use a link, like especially if you're just trying a product. Get the samples or like travel size at Marshalls. So I have been wanting to try this Snail 96X essence. This right here, this sticky one, and I found it on Marshalls and I was like, okay, my skin loves this. So now I'm gonna get the bigger bottle. And my skin has been loving this product. And my skin has been so glowy, especially with this product right here. I'll link what I can find on the description, but try Marshalls for real, especially when it comes to skincare products from Korea, girl, you can get some good stuff, okay? But yeah, like I like to steam my face for like at least 2-3 minutes, and my face and like this side that is clear was like that. This was from Marshalls as well. It was like a whole kit, like for $16, when each product is like 16 and up. Now this is a hidden gem, you guys. This helps me with the pain, as like the inflammation that I get when it's like those active pimples. You guys, that by the next day is so little, or just like the inflammation is gone, so it's not as painful when I have to like touch it or go to sleep. I used to struggle with that a lot. So now is the quiet time, and by that I mean I spend some time with the Lord. I read my Bible, I go through scriptures, I reflect, and normally I don't show this. Like, I like to give a glimpse, like on Instagram and stuff like that, because it's like a special bond moment with the Lord. You get to know Him, and by knowing Him, you know yourself, and it's just a beautiful journey when you get close to God that way. Now, this right here reminds me of those two scriptures. Open that Bible, girl, and read them. It was late, I know, but because I was filming, normally I sleep at 11, 12. Sometimes lately, actually, it has been like 3 in the morning, but it was worth it. I still woke up just in time for the kids to go to school. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you being here and supporting me. Thank you because of who you are, and thank you for always expressing your feelings, your opinions, and always just staying tuned and communicating. I love you guys so much. I'll see you and catch you on my next one. See you next week.